Indicators are useless. Yeah, okay, maybe back in 1970, 80, 90s, and even the early 2000s, indicators might have been useless, but not in 2025. We have got to stop the cap. The reason why I'm making this video, guys, is because there's so much cap online about indicators. One fact and true thing, all professional millionaire and billionaire traders all use indicators. The reason why you're not successful with indicators is because you're not using that indicator correctly. Indicators, let's talk about the meaning of indicator, okay? The meaning of indicator in trading is to measure or gauge that something is about to happen. Okay, so that's what indicator is. Indicator is not a tool to predict the market. No one or no tool ever created can predict the market. Let me say that one more time. No tool or person can predict the market. It's impossible. Okay, indicators are condition based, meaning if something happens in the market, then you're going to get a signal on an indicator. Okay, the reason why, again, you're not successful using indicators is because you don't know how to use the indicator. I'm sick of these minions out here regurgitating this false information that indicators are lagging, technical indicators don't work. Yeah, again, maybe in the early 70s and early 90s when the charting software wasn't up to par. We live in 2025, guys. The charting software that we have, even on TradingView, is amazing. The speed at what things happen is amazing. Okay? Indicators, again, they do not predict the market, nor does price action predict the market. No one can go to a chart and tell you what price is going to end up at. You have an idea based on market structure, but they cannot guarantee that, nor can an indicator do that. If there was an indicator that does that, we would never hear about it. Okay? That person will be the richest person that ever lived, period. So again, indicators get a bad rap, and I'm here to stop that. I'm a proud indicator trader. I believe in indicators. It's all in the way that you use them. You have to use them correctly. So again, indicators get a bad rap because they're lagging indicators. Okay. Why do you think indicators are lagging? They sure don't lag in 2025. Again, they can't predict the market. So if you go to the chart and you're looking for a buy or sell signal, and you get a buy or sell signal from an indicator, okay? Why are you hopping into the market if price is not showing you that it's ready to go in that direction? Why? Think about that for a second. My name is Vinny. I'm the creator of Vinny's Trading Cheat Code. Okay? My indicator is probably the most accurate indicator ever developed. And I'm not just saying that, guys. I'll put my indicator against any indicator on the market. It's all in how you're supposed to use the indicator. There's even free indicators out there. Not all indicators are equal. Okay, some indicators are useless. Okay, I can't admit that. A lot of the indicators that we have out here, and there's thousands that are just useless, that don't really work the way they're supposed to. Okay. But I'm going to give you 3 indicators that anyone can use. They're totally free, that can turn a unprofitable trader into a profitable trader if you use them correctly. My number 1 indicator is going to be Bollinger Bands. Okay, I'm not going to explain how to use it right now, but learn how to use Bollinger Bands if you're looking for an indicator that really works. Okay. Learn how to use Bollinger Bands and what they were used for. The second indicator is going to be the MACD. MACD is probably one of the greatest indicators ever created, and I'll continue to say that. Okay. MACD gets a bad rap because it doesn't give you signals at the top or the bottom of the move. It gives you the meat of the move, and that's where you want to make your money, at the meat of the move. So this indicator confirms that price is ready to go in that direction. Okay, that's why it's one of the greatest indicators ever created. So you can make tons and tons of money trading with the MACD indicator. The third indicator is going to be the TDI. The TDI indicator, you want buy and sell signals? The TDI will give you buy and sell signals. But it's up to you to wait until the market shows you that it's ready to go in that direction. I'm just so sick of the cap of people who claim that indicators are useless and that price action is king. Yeah, maybe in 1980, 1990, early 2000s, that is not the case in 2025, okay? Our technology is way faster than it was back in those times. You understand that? Our charting software is way more advanced than it was in the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. The access to information that we have now is unbelievable for retail traders. Understand, if you want indicators to work, understand how to work the indicator. And understand that nothing can predict the market. Price action cannot. Your indicator cannot. So please stop spewing this bad information that indicators are useless and they don't work. You don't know how to work the indicator. It's your responsibility to know how to work the indicator. It's not the indicator's fault that you're losing in the market. Take responsibility for your own actions. It's your responsibility. The reason why you keep losing trades. Ask yourself, are you doing a top-down analysis before you even hop into the market? Do you know whether you're trading an impulse or you're trading a correction? Do you know exactly where you are in the market? Or are you just hopping into the 1 minute chart looking to buy or sell? That's not the way to trade. You have to plan your trades out and trade your plan. If you don't have a set of rules that you follow, whether you're a price action trader or indicator trader, you're going to continue to lose. That's just plain and simple. You're going to continue to lose if you do not plan out your trades, whether you're a scalper, intraday trader, or swing trader. So it's not the indicator's fault. The indicator's doing what it's supposed to be doing, indicating or reacting to what the market is given its directions, its condition-based formula. It's you who's not trading correctly when it comes to using the indicator. That's the problem. Look, let's go into the chart. I'm going to show you guys Vinny's trading cheat code and show you how accurate these buy and sell signals are and why you need to stop naked chart trading. It doesn't make sense in 2025. Let's go. Okay, now we're on the chart, but before we get into the indicator, I just want to address one thing with repainting. A lot of people complain about indicators repaint, and there's a couple different reasons why indicators might repaint. Repainting occurs when a buy or sell signal gives you a different signal than what was initially displayed. Okay, now this can be a good thing and it can be a bad thing, and there's several reasons for this for indicators. One, an indicator cannot predict price. Okay, it cannot predict the next movement of a candle or several candles. So that's one reason why we may get a repainting of a signal. Another reason is why you're not waiting for the candle to close. So the signal might pop up when the candle is still forming or still moving. So you as a trader must be patient and disciplined to wait for the candle to close to get a definite signal. If you're not waiting for the candle to close, no matter if you're a price action trader or indicator trader, you're going to get a false signal. Okay, so you have to wait for the candle to close, no matter if you're trading with indicators or you're a price action trader. Another thing why a indicator might repaint is because it may be buggy or poorly designed. Okay, so that's several reasons why I think indicators give a bad rap when it comes to repainting. But also, repainting can be a good thing, just like in a cheat code. It improves accuracy. Okay, repainting helps adjust signals for better accuracy after price data is solidified. Okay. So let's get into this, right? Remember, I told you guys about the 3 top indicators in my opinion. Let's go ahead and go to this chart. We're on GBP AUD 1 hour time frame. Okay. And we have the 3 greatest indicators on the chart, right? We have the Bollinger Bands here, and then we have the MACD, and we also have the TDI. So here on the Bollinger Band, you can see price went outside the band several times. Okay, and that is a reversal signal. Okay, had a huge rejection area here, and then price reversed and came on down. Same thing on the MACD. The momentum on the histogram shifted from bullish to bearish. Okay, now the MACD does give you a so-called late entry, but it gives you a confirmed entry. So the cross that we got over here didn't happen to here. Okay, so that can be somewhat of a, what some people like to call late entry, but if you went down to a lower time frame, you sure enough can get a better entry here on the MACD for the cross. Now, the thing most people don't understand about the MACD is that when we are above the 0 line that you see here, when price is above it, that means price is bullish. Okay, so it means price is moving up. When we're below it, it means price is bearish. So the way the old indicator of this, the old MACD is designed, sometimes it can be confusing to people and people don't know how to use it. So I'm going to show you an updated version of the Vinny's cheat code MACD indicator. The next one is going to be the TDI. TDI down here, you can see the fast moving average in red. Okay, went outside the band. So that is a signal that we're going to have a reversal in the market. Okay, TDI is one of the most accurate signals in the market that the market is going to reverse. Okay, so when you have these 3 in alignment, okay, you get a nice little reversal happening here in the market. Okay, this is why if you have a system and you plan your trades out, you can get good trades by using these 3 indicators. Now let's go to my chart where I have my indicator. My indicator consists of 4 different indicators. Okay, first indicator is Vinny's trading cheat code. The second one is going to be the MACD. Third is going to be the scanner, and we also have a CC trend indicator. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see. So here on the 1 hour time frame on GBP AUD, you can see that we have a high probability spike here. Okay, that is confluence to let you know that price is going to reverse. All right, the next thing that we have, let me make this bigger so you guys can really see it. Okay, so here on the cheat code indicator, we have an upper band which is in red and have a lower band which is in blue. Okay, these are envelope bands, and some people use bands, but bands measure the extremes in the market. If you're a trader, you want to be trading extremes in the market because they offer the best risk to reward ratio when it comes to trading. So whenever price goes outside of the band, that is a signal that we have an extreme in the market and price is going to reverse. Now, the thing about indicators or the cheat code, it cannot tell you or predict when the exact market is going to turn around. Only the market knows. Okay, but it will give you a signal or early warning letting you know that price is going to turn around. So we had our price come outside the band here. We have our CC sell, if you guys can see that. Okay. And then price continued up. Right. But we have rules on when we enter into the market. We never just want to blindly take buy and sell signals. That would be stupid as a trader to do something like that, because we need rules to know when we need to enter. We need for price or these candles to show us that it's ready to go in that direction. Okay. Another thing that we have on the indicator are going to be different buy and sell signals. Okay. So the only ones that we respect, or the signal that we take, are going to be the CC buy, or CC sell. These are the only signals that we respect or take. Okay. The other buy and sell signals are used as confluence or to confirm our entry. Let me say that one more time. The other buy and sell signals are used as confluence or to confirm our entry. So in this example here, we have a CC sell. Okay, price continued up. We would not have entered into the market. We either wait for a confirmation sell, or we can wait for the MACD to give us a sell signal. The MACD did not give us a sell signal until here. I'll go ahead and show you. Okay, that's the MACD sell signal. So you have two signals or two entry criteria where you can enter into the market. Sometimes the MACD will give you a better entry, and sometimes the confirmed sell will give you a better earlier entry. Either or is totally fine, but it definitely confirms that price is ready to go in that direction. Okay, and then you would enter into the market. All right, another sell signal that we have is going to be here in red. That is that divergent sell signal. It just gives us an early warning that price is going to reverse. Okay, so sometimes you need visuals like this to help you see when the market is going to change direction. Why would you want to trade with a naked chart? Okay, that does not make any sense to me here in 2025. Why you would want to trade with a naked chart, right? It's like this. Price action is or relies heavily on subjective interpretation. So me and you could both be looking at this chart. I could be looking for buys, you can be looking for sells. Now with the indicator, if we turn on the indicator provides consistent rule-based signals. Okay, and what this does is it reduces emotional decision making. It helps traders stick to their strategies, okay, resulting in more disciplined trading outcomes, because we know what the market is going to do. We understand what the market is going to do. We understand that we have an extreme in the market and then price is going to reverse, even though we are bullish. So this is a short-term pullback for price to continue higher, right? Unless we look at the higher time frame, it could be a different story. But I'm just talking about on this time frame. Another thing that we have with the cheat code indicator, we have a 47 moving average here. It turns from blue to red. Okay, so whenever price or the candles are above it, that indicates that the market is what? Bullish. Just like the MACD. If you look at the MACD down here, okay, this MACD is above the zero line, indicating price is bullish. Okay. When price is below the zero line, that means price is bearish. So it tells you the direction of the market, the way the market is trending. All right. Now, that is the cheat code indicator, right? It gives you buy and sell signals. Now, you can always take off the confirmation signals. Okay, you do not have to keep the indicator on your chart, guys. If it confuses you in any way, you can turn off the signals and you just look at a naked chart if you want to. Okay, but you're using the indicator for your analysis. It gives you indication of what the market is going to do, so you can make sure you're trading in the right direction. So we have the MACD, we have the cheat code indicator, and we also have the HPS scanner. HPS scanner scans the market for high probability setups. Okay, it's gray right now, so that means there's no high probability setups. but it works on every single time frame, from the 1 minute all the way up to the monthly time frame. So let's go to the 4 hour and let's just check and see if we have anything on the scanner. So we don't have anything on the scanner right now, but again, I have tons and tons of videos on my channel showing you how to use this scanner. Very, very easy. It lines up with the cheat code, and you're going to get highly, highly accurate signals. Okay. So we're looking at the GBP AUD on a 4 hour time frame. Let's go back to here and look at it on the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, again, like the Bollinger Bands, price went outside the band. So that is a reversal signal. Okay. That's exactly what price is doing. Price is reversing. Now with the CC trend indicator, we can turn on the trend. Okay. And what this does, it gives you the trend on that time frame. So let's go back to the 1 hour real quick, just to show you guys. So the trend lines are pointing up, indicating that price is bullish. Okay. If you look at the MACD, we can see that we're above the 0 line and price is bullish. Okay. So how do we use this in our trading? Very simple. If you are scalping the market, you're going to use a 1 hour time frame as your directional time frame. If you're intraday trading, you can use the 1 hour, 4 hour. If you're swing trading like I do, you can use the daily as your directional time frame. So for instance, let's go to gold. Let's take a look at gold on the daily time frame. So gold on the daily time frame is outside of the band. Okay, we just had a break of structure. Okay, so after a break of structure, guys, there's always going to be a pullback. So this daily candle has not closed yet. We still have 52 minutes before this candle closes. Okay, so when this candle closes, we'll get a signal, a cheat code sell signal. Okay, and that will indicate that price is going to reverse here on the daily time frame. But that does not mean to enter into the market. Okay, if we look at the histogram on the MACD down here, we can see that it is still we still have strong bullish momentum. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour lines up. We have a cheat code sell signal at a higher time frame supply zone. Okay, and we're starting to get a little minor sell off. Now, again, we would not have entered into the market quite yet because the MACD hasn't given us a sell signal, or if we turn on the confirmation alerts, we don't have a confirmed sell yet. Okay, so the confirmed sell confirms the CC sell, confirmed buy confirms the CC buy. All right, so that's our entry criteria. You have to wait until price shows you that it's ready to go in that direction. That is how you use the indicator. You have to wait for price to show you that it's ready to go in that direction. So if you're using a Bollinger Bands or any other indicator, wait for price to show you that it's ready to go in that direction, and you will have a higher win rate when you use it in that way. If you do not use it in that way, it is totally your responsibility because you're an impatient, not disciplined trader. Okay. Learn to have patience, learn to have discipline when it comes to trading the market. If you want access to this indicator, guys, make sure you guys go to the link below this video at Vinny'sTradingCheatCode.com, and you can get access to this highly, highly accurate indicator. It is truly amazing. As a matter of fact,